Main interface introduction. After startup, the main interface is displayed as follows. The icon in the top right corner for network settings. A small cloud icon will appear when connected successfully. Next to it are function settings, centering curve settings, main interface icon. Use the left and right arrows to select the desired centering curve. The centering time, maximum temperature, and the real-time voltage and current will be shown below. The preheat button at the bottom can be adjusted as needed. The upper mid area shows the device status, remaining centering time, current temperature, and the real-time centering curve. Button on the right side include door open, pause, door close, start heating, and stop heating. System settings. System time and UTC offset update automatically according to your local time zone. Number of heater uses automatically based on actual furnace usage. For the user password, you can enable the password function to prevent unauthorized operations. Pay attention. After setting the password, return and save the settings. Password verification will be required for any subsequent module operations. You may turn off this function if it is not needed. For network setting, search for the nearby Wi-Fi networks. Enter the password. Click Connect. The connection is successful when connected is displayed. For updated MCU and verification code generation, relevant operations will be explained separately. How to update the control board firmware. Method 1. Remote update via network. First, enter the system settings to ensure the network is connected. When there is a firmware update available, the background will automatically pop up a prompt. Click up Update MCU. And after the update is completed, turn off and restart the device. Method 2. Manual update via USB drive. Download the firmware upgrade program to the root directory of the USB drive. Insert it into the device's USB port. Enter the system settings. Click Update MCU. Wait for it to complete, then turn off the restart the device. How to update the touchscreen program. Method 1. Remote update via network. After the device is connected to the internet and an update is sent remotely, a pop-up will appear on the screen. Just click Confirm. Then shut down and restart. Method 2. Manual update via USB drive. Download the touchscreen update program to the root folder of USB drive. Plug it into the device's USB port. Then shut down and restart. Temperature settings. The key parameters include chamber opening temperature, chamber door lift distance, chamber door fully open temperature, temperature calibration, preheat temperature, lower temperature limit value, upper temperature limit value. Based on the zirconia material we used, we set it when the furnace temperature reaches 900 degrees Celsius. The chamber door will open slightly about 50 millimeters to allow repeat cooling when the temperature drops to 500 Celsius degrees. the chamber door will fully open. This can be modified according to the materials you choose. The equipment is factory calibrated before delivery, so no additional calibration is required under normal conditions. However, if heating elements are replaced, recalibration will be necessary. Temperature curve settings. Enter the temperature curve settings. The device supports up to 32 curves, which can be enabled or disabled as you need it. Remember to return and save after each change. In the detailed settings, you can configure time and temperature for up to 15 segments. The maximum temperature is 1600 Celsius degree for the max version. The heating rate per segment must not exceed 70 Celsius degree. For example, as this curve, heating from 0 Celsius degree up to 700 Celsius degree in 10 minutes is allowed. In segment 2, heating from 700 Celsius degree to 1600 Celsius degree in another 13 minutes is allowed. Setting the second segment shorter than 13 minutes is invalid and will damage the equipment. Time and temperature must be integers. Zero negative values and decimals are not permitted. Today, let's show you the language setting of our Zirconia Sintering furnace. First, click the setting. Choose the language setting. The Sintering furnace is equipped with 10 language modes, including Chinese, English, Japanese, German, and Korean and Russian, and so on. After select the appropriate language modes, I will choose English and return. Saving the setting. The entire interface will display to corresponding language. Device information. Device information including device name, SN number, manufacturing date, first startup time, cumulative sintering count, startup count, and app software version, control board software version. Record query. This section includes 3 modules: history query, warning records, and communication settings. History and warning records are the most commonly used. In history query, select any sintering record to view its curve and can export the sintering report. Warning records help check the equipment fault occurred during sintering. Preheating. Enter the temperature setting page to set the preheating temperature. The factory default preheating temperature is 400 Celsius degree, which can be customized according to actual production requirements. Save the setting after modification. Return to the main interface and start preheating. The furnace door can be opened or closed during preheating. The main screen displays the preheating process in real time. After preheating, manually start the sintering program. The heating system skips the low temperature heating phase and heats up directly from preheating temperatures, with the preheating duration automatically deducted by the system. After sintering completes and the furnace door is fully opened, the device will automatically activate preheating once the internal furnace temperature drops to the preset preheating value. Manually turn off preheating if it is no longer required. Furnace chamber inspection and cleaning. Turn on the front camera of your phone and place it under the furnace. Record a video to check if the internal heating elements are intact and free from cracks. After using the equipment, clean the furnace regularly. With the camera view as a reference, gently brush away light dirt inside the chamber. Avoid damaging the heating elements. Furnace temperature calibration. Tools required: medical cooling plate, calibration ring, tweezers, vernier caliper, temperature reference table. First, use the tweezers to place the calibration ring in the center of the crucible. Put on the lid and close the furnace door. Then open the temperature curve interface and select the temperature calibration centering curve. The OY7 MAX calibration setting are ramp to 1580 Celsius degree in 25 minutes, then hold for 60 minutes. Confirm the setting and return to the main screen. Select the temperature calibration curve and start the centering program. After the centering program ends, the furnace door opens. Wait for the calibration rings to cool completely. Then remove it with tweezers and place it on the cooling plate. Use the vernier caliper to measure its diameter. And refer to the temperature table to find the corresponding temperature value. Enter this temperature value into the temperature calibration curve. Return and save it. Then re-enter the temperature setting interface to check the temperature difference display. The calibration is complete.